Hello! First day back after my holiday break. A very lovely 2 weeks off, but I'm tired. I don't know, I didn't sleep very well last night. So I need to make a coffee and a strong one. Yeah, I have 3 clients today. I'm very much looking forward to doing some art, which 2 of 3 appointments are art, so that's gonna be fun. But other than that, I mean, I'm working today, and then I'm off again tomorrow for my mom's birthday. And then we're back to our regular scheduled programming. So I'm just gonna get ready here for my clients to arrive and get on with some nails. So I finished my first 2 appointments and I am tired, but I have 1 more to go. We're just finished cleaning up, so I'm all prepped for my next client, but she's not in for another hour and a half, so I do have some things I need to get done around here, like putting up curtains, but I just want to lay down. But I might compromise with myself, as one does. And I have this closet here that my super said he was gonna get me a door for, / make a door, but he needed another piece of wood. But it's been 2 months, I guess? Month and a half, I don't know. And there's no door in sight. So I might hang a curtain here. So I'm thinking that that could be a job I could do right now by myself. The curtain will be too long, but at least then I could pile some stuff into this little closet so it's not so much taking over my little break room area, because right now it's a dump. So I might do that. Okay, I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna say it. I'm just gonna do it. I'm like so non-committal today because I just want to lie on the floor. I'm gonna do it right now. Okay, I did it. I installed the curtains. I didn't do a good job. I did a very mediocre job, but I think because I'm starving, I got to the point where I was like, as long as they're up and they don't fall down, we're good. And you can barely see them. They're hidden between a bunch of doors. So it's fine. I need to eat something. Well, I've sat down for 5 minutes now, and now that I've started doing things around the studio, I feel like I need to continue. My mind is just going. Physically, I would like to not, but my mind now, we can't fight it. So I'm currently going under the sink. This is like not what I was planning on doing. I don't know how I wound up here, to be honest. I was planning on pulling more things out of my little room there and putting them in the new closet area. But then all of a sudden I thought of putting my cleaning products in a bin and how that would probably save me a lot of space under the counter. And so now I'm doing that. Joyous occasion. Good morning. It is Tuesday, 9:37. I looked at my watch that says Monday and I said it's Tuesday, it's Monday. I'm just getting ready for a very full day today. I have 4 clients in altogether. 1's removal, but 3 otherwise. So it's gonna be a busy day. So I'm just getting set up, putting away all my tools and stuff like that, but I'm pretty much ready. I'm excited. Actually, my first client of the day, she's never been in before, and she let me draw up, basically, like she sent me a few different designs that I had done that she liked, and then she gave me full written. So I drew up her design yesterday, and she loved it, and I love it, so I'm very excited. That is all. I have one of my regular clients is coming in for a big appointment today, like a hard gel fill in tier 3. So those always take quite some time, but she usually just puts on Netflix and we just laugh along to Superstore. So I'm gonna do that too. Oh, also, I've got a bunch of new gels since I probably last showed you. There's more on the way, but of course. So these are my cat eye gels, which I love from Show Me. These ones are my newer 2 colors. I got another lash gel. These ones we've had for a little bit. This is the Show Me Euphoria collection, which is just all these really beautiful glitters. Super, super nice. I've been like sending photos of them to all my like glitter clients. And then I have these D-gel mini bottles, which are incredible cat eye gels. I posted TikToks of those actually. They're these guys. Hard to see on camera, but the shift on them is nuts. I love those. And I think that's all as of now. Sweetie Nail Supply just messaged me though, and they said that they're sending some new Izemi glitters. And I love Izemi gel, so I'm excited. Also, I don't know if I've shown this here, my crazy bathroom. If you open the medicine cabinet in my bathroom studio, there's all those critters on my little blind boxes. I have a few more that I need to open to fill in and remove the Advil. So cute. Pat came and brought me lunch. He made me a grilled cheese sandwich and it was very delicious. And now I'm lounging. I'm in the weird mood where I forgot my iPad. And I wish I had it because I feel like watching TV, but I do have a tablet here, but I'm not motivated enough to use the tablet because it's not as easy to use as an iPad. Or I have my book here, which I also am really enjoying, but I just can't be asked to read. So I'm just laying here doing nothing. Maybe I'll make a coffee. Also, like, my glasses blocking out my eye, like that looks scary. Good morning. It is Thursday morning. Back in the studio today. I just had 2 days off where we went to my dad's place up north. So just getting ready now for my first client of the day. My lens is very dirty. Sorry. Yeah, I'm excited. I have a big break today in between my clients. So my first one's at 11 and then my one after that is at like 6:30. So I think I might either run some errands or edit some videos because I started putting all my footage from the studio reno onto my hard drive and I was getting very excited. Yeah, that's about it. I'm feeling a little down today. Not down, but just like not super high energy. So I'm gonna shake it out, get into it. I'm actually excited for the nails I'm doing today. So, loosen up. Okay, so my first appointment, that turned out very cute. I am back making myself a tea before my second appointment. It's almost 6:30, so she should be here soon. But I had a very productive day. I had that weird break in the middle of the day, so I actually went and ran some errands. I had to pick up like this big crate thing from 313 Design Market to store all of our yarn in at home. So I did that and I stopped and got incense and stopped at the drugstore. Oh, and then edited my entire renovation vlog for the studio. So I'm hopefully gonna post that tonight, maybe tomorrow morning, because I have to, after my appointment tonight, I have to edit a thumbnail. So we'll see. I am feeling a little bit tired, but I also think that's because I ate like a bag of Lindor chocolate while I was sitting on the couch. So I'm sugar crashing, but I'm gonna do my client's nails shortly and then go home and sit on the couch, and what I do with that time afterwards, I will only know then. I'm so bad at vlogging right now. I have actually no idea when the last time I vlogged was. But I'm at the studio now. It's Monday, so it's my last day of my like work week, even though I had yesterday off. But I just want to show you my love because I just made this little sweater. It's very sketchy, but it's cute, and I liked it with this long skirt and my little studded belt. Anyways, I have, let me flip you around. I have 3 clients today. 2 of them are solid color. 1 of them is tier 3, which is a fun set. So I'm just getting ready for that. But otherwise, not a busy day. The first clients that are in, it's actually a couple. And last time I did their nails, we did matching nails. It was so cute. I don't think we're doing that today though, but it was very fun. Oh, I got in some new gels. The Izemi Tropical Paradise Glitter Gels. They are beautiful. This is the little swatch card. Here, let me put it in the light. I did a Instagram reel of it, so go over to my Instagram if you want to see them swatched. They're very pretty. And then I actually should have some more gels arriving today, the yogurt gels, which I have a lot of clients who are really into syrup gels right now, so I am in need. I ordered like 21 of them. I literally cleared a spot already. Not that that's a big enough spot, but I've started to make room in preparation. So when they arrive soon. Just finished up with my first client. We did a solid color. We used Sissy Martian, which is one of my favorite colors. I love it. Didn't take any video footage of it, so I can't show you, but my second client, I told them they could come in early because I have finished quite a bit earlier, but I think I'm going to pre-sculpt some bows for their nails just while I'm waiting for them to arrive because I have about a half hour, so I think I'm going to start doing that, save some time during the appointment.